Today we have our friend Aaron dropping in with a Subaru STI to test fit some brand new wheels. First we removed the stock mags, and Aaron has picked out a few wheels that he likes the look of.
When I was looking in the box, the black looked really nice. And as soon as it went on the car, it just didn't suit. Whereas the gunmetal looked a lot better on the car than I thought it was going to.
Sits good with the guards.
Choosing new wheels is like choosing a painting to hang on your wall. You only get one shot at it, and if you don't get it right, every time you look at that painting, you'll constantly feel upset with your choice.
Definitely always test fit before you make the purchase. You want to make sure you're happy with it. You want to make sure it fits properly. Like if I bought it from the showroom and then put it on myself and then got home, I wouldn't have liked it. Having actually been able to test fit it in the workshops made it much better.
Platinum Wheels make cars look awesome. Call us now, 09 486 5317 to make a booking.